Hello everyone, I hope you guys are amazing out there. Today we travel all the way to Dubai. We managed to find ourselves in 7-star hotel Burj Al Arab. This hotel worth billions of dollars. The hotel is so unique. This hotel, I believe, is one of the 7-star hotel. We were lucky to stay here, but in this video we're only going to show you the afternoon tea and what the hotel have to offer. I also managed to see a Bugatti Veyron. I believe this car is just a few of these cars made in the world. It's very beautiful. Well guys, I will probably publish a full hotel tour and the room we stay in the next video, so keep subscribe and also share this video with your loved ones. Well, I hope you enjoy this amazing afternoon tea. It's just a quick video. I hope you enjoy how inside the hotel look like. Thank you very much. See you in the next main video. If you managed to stay till this time and watch the whole video, I really appreciate your time. Please make sure you subscribe, like the video, turn your notification button on so that anytime I post the full content of the room tour and the whole place, you'll be the first one to be notified. Don't forget to share with your loved ones. Thank you. Bye for now.